Well, it doesn't matter if it lasted a lifetime or a day, 'cause the things you said, they changed me through and through. You sent me down the big road, but you taught me how to love, and I still remember standing next to you. Well, there's a longing in the springtime, there's goodness in the fall, and I think I know the difference between the two. Well, love can move a mountain, but kindness conquers all, and it was kindness when you let me lay by you. Next to you, like the candle by the window. Next to you, like the song I never knew. I could dive down in the river, swim 100 silver miles, come up breathing life and standing next to you. Could trust me, but I love you just the same. You can't hide from me, I'm always next to you. And when you turn around, I'm standing next to you.